Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Today we're going to talk about the RIDGID 6-peak horsepower 14-gallon wet dry vac model HD1401. One of the neat things with this particular wet vac is it comes with a free auto detailing kit. So you've got a stiff brush for your floors and your mats, soft brush for your dashboards and to clean out your air vents. And it comes with 2 adapters, so it'll fit any RIDGID vacuum cleaner. It also comes with attachments for the vac with a separate hose that goes on and locks in, which is nice, and each of the ends swivel, which makes it great. So you've got floor, you've got other floor, and you got the crevice detail kit part, and you also have the claw for your auto detailing. So that's kind of neat. It comes with everything you need. You get your extensions right here for doing your floors, and you've got a very narrow crevice for inside the car, which comes in handy in between the seats and everything else, so you can suck up all that money and all that candy that's in between the seats. Pulling it out of the box, this is what we got. Got everything here. What we got to do now is we actually have to do some assembling. We got to put some wheels on it, put the handle on it. It comes pre-installed. With a HEPA filter. I recommend removing it if you're doing a wet pickup. So we're going to go ahead and put it together and we'll give it a test run. We're going to put it together and install our wheels. Everything out. All it takes to put together is 1 Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to put the handle on first, and we'll flip it over and go ahead and put the wheelbase and the wheels on. Now the accessories, holes on the side here. This is the accessory holder. They're snapped in. Snap the sides. And this little ridge right here. Put those on. Alright, so we have it all together. We've got our accessories here. We've got our hose extensions and our brush on the sides. We're all set to go. Hose snaps in for storage, so I like that. It's a lot easier than trying to wrap it around. So we're going to give it a little shot and see what happens. Remember, in the front, this is your drain. So since this is a 14-gallon, it's going to be heavy. So you can pull that drain out. And the quick lock is really easy to use. All you got to do is pull the filter off. And then when you want to put a new one on, you line up the hole. And then you push it in and it'll suck in. Plugged in, on-off switches right here in the front. Powered up. Put our hose in and lock that in. A couple different tests that I like to do. Get a piece of ply, see how it sucks that up, and 2x4. So this is the kind of section we have. So let's give it another try, because we've got the swivel here. We can lock these in place with this, so you just lift that clip up. So this is a great unit. I really like it. I love that it comes with the car detailing accessories, so I'm going to have to actually store those in a separate place. So I'm going to hang those up on the wall and put the accessories in a bag, so when we do the cars, we can clean those cars out. Got plenty of sections, so this is going to suck up anything on the floor, so it's a nice thing that it's easy to take the top off, so if you suck up nuts and bolts and everything else, you can pull them out. The bonus feature is fantastic. This makes this vacuum value for money. Comes with the auto detail kit. Really like this. You've got a soft bristle brush here for your dashboard, your vents. Get a hard bristle brush for your floors and for your floor mats. Get a extra long, thin crevice tool to go down between the seats. And we have the upholstery cleaner. This hose is designed to fit onto the existing hose with the adapter that's included. So what you got to do is clip on that onto your hose for the vacuum and clip that on. Brushes, your different sizes. This one is got a bigger hole, but it actually has a smaller circumference inside to clip on. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.